Smart display campaigns offer a huge advantage when it comes to simplicity and ease of use for advertisers. One of the key benefits is that these campaigns can be created with minimal input from the advertiser. This means you don't have to spend too much time setting up your ads or fine-tuning every detail. Smart display campaigns are designed to automate a lot of the work for you, from targeting the right audience to choosing the best placements for your ads. Google's machine learning takes over and ensures that your ads reach the right people at the right time, all while optimizing for the best performance. In short, if you're looking for a way to streamline your display ad process and focus more on the overall marketing strategy, smart display campaigns are a great choice. They make it easy to launch effective campaigns without needing a deep level of technical expertise or constant management. Hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. If you need help with your Google Ads, I invite you to take the 14-day free trial of my coaching program. Thank you and see you in the next one.